Hey there, fellow Top Hatters. It's me, the Galaxy Ninja. Well, it's almost towards the end of January, and I'm planning on doing these videos monthly. This has been a planning month for me. I've been doing a lot of planning, so hopefully February there'll be some new things in the works. And I hope you guys are doing well. Not a lot to say this year. I did create a new Top Hat Sec MeWe account. For the past 2 years, I have been trying to get the Facebook accounts back, and Facebook has been not very, shall we say, cooperative. So MeWe is the new social media, quote-unquote, Facebook platform. So anyway, I have the link down below. Feel free to comment, and look forward to seeing you guys again next month. Bye for now, and remember, I care.